Von Yokes here. We're gonna get into the basics of hair cutting, but don't be bored by the word basic, because basic is the foundation to every single haircut you're gonna do moving forward. So what I would like to go over before we get started on anything is the bare bones of cutting hair. Is you're dealing with the head shape, you're dealing with the hair on the head, and then it's you in relationship to the head shape and the hair on the head. These are three things that you really want to always be thinking about when you're cutting hair.